Two vaccine milestones reached today. Number one, more than 1 million people in our state are now fully protected against COVID-19. Number two, 3 million total doses given. Locally, nearly 90,000 people now in central Illinois are fully vaccinated, with Peoria, Tazewell, and McLean counties seeing the highest concentrations. But watch when we switch McLean County from the total number of people to the percentage of the population. There, it's about 8% are now fully covered. Compare that now to Peoria County's rate, nearly double that at 14% totally vaccinated. And yet another variant of the COVID-19 virus has been detected here in Illinois. This one first found in travelers from Brazil. This discovery, though, made in Chicago, and the state health department says evidence suggests that this variant is more contagious and that people who've already had COVID could get it again if they're exposed to this strain. But they also admit more study is needed on that front. For almost a year, long-term care facilities have been on lockdown. No visitors allowed due to COVID concerns. And those residents were among the first to get the vaccine, but many facilities still remain doors closed. Harry Croton spoke with a family today that doesn't understand why.
Dennis Shookman's mother, Dorothy, is 92 years old. She received her second dose of the Pfizer vaccine last week and says she feels great. But despite good health, Dorothy is required to remain isolated at her senior living facility.
She's ready to get out and do some things she hasn't done for the past year. She's ready to see family again. I mean, actually see them. She's very, very eager.
She's lonely.
Yep.
This was what she anticipated and hoped for, and now it's not being changed. Nothing's changing.
The change is a slow process, as experts say. Even though the vaccine is proven to keep people out of hospitals, it's not proven to keep patients from spreading the virus to others. As a result, Dorothy and other residents at her home must still follow strict guidelines.
You can't go to their apartments or their rooms. You can't touch them. You still have to be 6 feet apart at a table in the building,
and that's
at the location that they've chosen.
And that's only after they've been tested with no cases there in the facility, even any of their workers, for over 2 weeks.
A group called Caregivers for Compromise is working to spread awareness about isolation in care facilities and get answers from experts and local leaders. Peggy Munson of the Illinois chapter says they'll take to the state capitol next week to make their voices heard.
We're just going to keep the momentum going and hoping that soon, the CMS will issue some new guidelines, and then IDPH will follow.
For the family members of residents of these homes, they understand the need to stay safe and aware of the virus, but they want more communication. For 25 News, I'm Harry Croton.
All right, Harry, thank you. More people are now eligible for that COVID-19 vaccine in Peoria, Tazewell, and Woodford counties. The Tri-Counties wanted to hold off until they had more doses of the vaccine to use, so they opened up eligibility today, including health conditions like diabetes, cancer, obesity, and heart disease. Pregnant women and smokers also now eligible. It's for those age 16 and over. The state health department telling us that the provider of the vaccine will ask for proof of a qualifying condition. You can make a Phase 1B+ appointment through your local health department or a participating pharmacy.